Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, namaste. My name is Ankush Pare. I am from India and I overcome my stammering 100%. And you may have a doubt like how, because you may have read somewhere or you may have watched somewhere like stammering can't be overcome 100%. Why this man is telling like this? But trust me guys, I have a logical answer for this. You may be from UK, USA, from Canada, from France, German, Russia, India, Pakistan, Bhutan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Malaysia, Singapore, Myanmar, Africa, or from anywhere in the world. If you are looking for a solution how to overcome your stammering problem 100%, this video will help you, or at least this video will tell you the direction on which if you go properly you can overcome it by yourself also. I will not tell you any rocket science, but I will tell you the logical solution, as I am from India and Indians speak Hindi language the most, or maybe you are from out of India so you speak English language the most. What is the difference between the Indian language and the English language? Why there are so many techniques in English, like airflow technique, like prolongation technique, like slow speed speaking technique, or like bouncing technique. Still people don't find the exact solution on how to overcome your stammering 100%. You may have spent a lot of money on your issue and still there is no speech therapist or no trainer like they have the solution for your problem. But trust me guys, if you follow this video or if you just watch this video till end, you will get something interesting which you may have not yet know, like how to overcome it. So please watch this video till end and let me explain you now how I overcome it 100% with a logical answer. So first thing first, this voice is like a magical things happen to human being. Animal can't speak, but human being can speak. They have their voice. They can speak. But there are also two categories: people who can speak, people who can't speak. Maybe because of some issue they have the speaking issue. But the people who speak, there are also two categories: people who speak without stammering and people who speak with stammering. And when we say like speaking, it comes with some alphabets. Like if you are speaking in English, so there are 26 alphabet, 5 are vowels and 21 are like consonants. A, E, I, O, U is the vowel, and other than that there are the consonants. So maybe you are agree with me, like the word in English, any word in English language will not come out of this 26 alphabet. So do you agree with me? I think yes, you are agree. Maybe you speak any language, there is some grammar in your language and you are speaking all this word inside that alphabet only. Same with us. I speak Hindi as I am from India, and maybe you speak your other mother tongue language. So there is also a grammar, right? But let me tell you the difference between the English language and Hindi language. In English, as I said earlier, there are the 5 vowels and 21 consonants: A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowels: B, C, D, F, G, H, etc. etc. These are the consonants. And in Hindi, if you are from India or from nearby India, you may know it very well, like there are 12 vowels like A, A, E, U, A, I, O, Au, A. These are the common vowels in Indian Hindi language. Then comes the consonants. We have the consonants like K, K, G, G. There is some series like P, P, B, B. Same like there are the 33 consonants, 12 vowels, and there are some 5 compound consonants. So it means it totally becomes 52 alphabets in Hindi, and in English there are 26. So as you can see the difference between English and Hindi, 26 alphabet in language, 52 alphabets in language. Exactly double. English, Hindi, exactly double. And why I am telling like you can overcome your 100% stammering? Because of I speak Hindi language, or because I know the foundation of this word. I can give you an example. A, E, I, O, U, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. You can see my face. How I am speaking, I am just stretching my mouth, but there is no use, or there is a little bit use of your tongue and your teeth. Why teeth are inside your mouth? Not for just chewing, but it is also for to get the accent or to get the word out. Right? Why this tongue inside your mouth? Not just to test, but also to speak clearly. Guys, in Hindi we have the series of words like ka, kha, ga, ga. It comes from here. Ka, kha, ga, ga. When we go for the ta, tha, da, dha, na. This is my teeth. This is my teeth, and on my teeth, my tongue touches here. This is, for example, this is my teeth and my tongue touches here. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. You can see we have the foundation with us. And maybe you are from out of India, you are speaking English or other language. If you don't know the foundation, it is the basic root cause, like your stammering is not overcoming 100%. So you are using any technique, like you are using airflow technique, like a prolongation technique, like a bouncing technique, or like a low speed speaking technique, or there are so many techniques in the people who speak English. And from India also people are using the same technique. But let me tell you why this technique are invented. Maybe I may be wrong, but this is from my experience. Okay, the people who invented this technique, they are all mostly from the people who speak English language, right? So the people who speak English language, they have the knowledge of this 26 alphabet, right? And as I said earlier, there is a very little foundation in English language. Because of that, they may have found some the technique which may help people, but they are not guaranteed. But they didn't give you any guarantee like this only technique can overcome your stammering. But they said like this will help you, right? People are following that technique, and after following that technique, they change their pattern of speaking. They change their pattern of speaking. Like in airflow technique, I don't know how it is used, but people just take breathe in to their chest and slowly they reduce its air and they speak with the breathe out kind of thing. Prolongation technique, they just stress that word and they try to speak it. So what you are doing this now, you are changing your pattern of speaking. But what about the Hindi language? As I said earlier, your stammering can be overcome 100%. So like how? Because we have the series of words which have the foundation. Ka, kha, ga, ga. Like for example in your English, K is similar to ka, but you speak K like K. You stretch your word, but you don't give the attention to the foundation. But I know how the ka comes from. Ka comes from here. Ka, kha, ga, gha. Right? How the ta, tha, da comes from. Like in English there is a T word. T. In Hindi also there is a word called as a ta, T. Similar words. But in Hindi there is a foundation known. But you may have a doubt like still why there is a problem of stammering in India. Let me tell you something like in India we speak the slok, or from our childhood there is a Sanskrit language slok. If you don't know the Sanskrit language, please search it. It's like a best language for stammerer. If you read Sanskrit word daily for 30 minutes, maybe for 6 months or an year, you can overcome your stammering. Trust me guys. So in Hindi, from childhood we have this slok. Slok means the sentence in a Sanskrit. So we speak it from our childhood and we remember it now also. We have the we can call it as a arti. Arti is like a poem for the god, you can say. So it is also in our language, or maybe it is in the Sanskrit language. So from childhood, as we are speaking with our mouth. We are using our tongue, teeth, vocal cord and everything. Maybe if you know someone, the people who speak Hindi or people who speak Indian language, just ask them to speak in front of you in their native language. You may realize that their mouth will open in exactly same position like the other Indian people speak. For example, I will say, my name is Ankush Pare. This I said in English. So how I will pronounce it in Hindi? मेरा नाम अंकुश पारे है. See, you can see the difference. You can replay this. I speak like मेरा नाम अंकुश पारे है. My name is Ankush Pare, as I said in Hindi. But there is a difference. My name is Ankush Pare. I am stretching my mouth in English when I speak English. But when I speak Hindi, my mouth in the same direction. I am using my tongue. I am using my teeth. I am using my vocal cord exactly with a foundation. Because I know it, how to use this foundation. And now, the question like, why then Indian people have this stammering issue, right? So let me tell you the answer for it. The Indian people, they actually following English language mostly now, and maybe from our childhood, as people are learning English language most, and they are forgetting about the Hindi or Sanskrit language. Sanskrit is a language which is the very old language. Maybe I can say it's 5,000 year old. It is a mother of many language, similar to a Telugu language also, which is also Indian language, which is a 5,000 year old language. You will get a proof of that language maybe from in literature or somewhere else. But both this language, most of the Indian language are from this language, and this language have the logical answers like how to speak clearly by using your tongue, your mouth, your teeth, your vocal cord and everything. There is no need to use any prolongation technique, any airflow technique, but still people from India are using it. Why? I can say maybe they don't know the power of Indian language, or maybe they are following someone blindly, because from India no one has tell them till now like how to use it. But why I am telling this now? Because I actually use this technique. It is not a technique. I actually use my grammar, and I just found like how to spell or how to pronounce a word by using my grammar. So if you are not from India, you are from out of India, you speak your mother tongue language, just what you can do is like just understand the grammar of your language. Try to learn the foundation. Pattern are different, but if you focus on the foundation, you don't need any technique which are just bypassing your pattern, right? So why I'm telling like you can overcome your stammering 100%? Because I know my foundation, I know my grammar, and I know like how I'm speaking now to you, because I know the Hindi language, I can read Sanskrit language, and I can speak English also. But the people from out of India, I can give you a solution like, if you know about the Sanskrit language, just learn that language, try to speak that language, or at least for 15 or 20 minutes try to read that language loudly, so that it will clear your you will get a clarity in that. People from out of India saying stammering can't be overcome 100%. Yeah, you are true. But why I am also true? Because I know the foundation. And why people from out of India says, they are saying very clearly like stammering can't be overcome 100%. Yes, I am agree with them, but their knowledge is with the English language only. I am from India, I know the Hindi language, so I know how the foundation works here. You can also learn the foundation. There is no such a things like you can't learn. And I can say nothing is impossible in life. My dear friends, nothing is impossible. You just have patience, some time to learn something, and you will get your answer. Like as maybe you have read Bhagavad Gita. It's a holy book in Hindu religion. If you have not read it, there is a we call it as a Bhagwan Shri Krishna, and he says every time, maybe you have, when you read the Bhagavad Gita, he says you are like my Ansh means you are me. You are not something else, but you don't know who you are. So this body is like a universe, because these scientists also have no scientists don't know how this body works. There are so many things inside, like how your subconscious mind works, how your brain works, how this heart beating automatically done, and there are how this blood circulate, or how this muscle, and there are so many things like scientists also have, or the doctor also have no clue like how it is going on. But still this body is running, you are enjoying your life, and there is a small stammering issue. You can overcome it. Just listen or just understand the grammar, or if you don't know how to do it, I have a solution. I can teach you very good manner, because till now I teach so many people from India, and it is not an impossible thing to teach out of India also, because I know if you know the foundation of every word, you can speak any language clearly. So friends, if you think like I can help you with that, because I give you the logical answers like how I overcome my stammering 100%. I can't explain in very much detail in this single video. I have to teach you so many things, but if you think like I can help you in your stammering issue, in description box there is a link, you can submit it. You are from India or out of India, no issue, I can teach you like very good manner. I know your stammering can be overcome 100%. You just need a proper guidance. So in the description box there is a link, you can submit it, or you can contact me directly on Facebook also. There is a WhatsApp, or there is a WhatsApp number in description box, or there is an email ID also. You can directly contact with me. I am ready to help you. Directly or indirectly, you can say you can take a training, or I can give you a tips like how to overcome. But I can say a training will help you, because I will go step by step, and I will tell you the exact solution like how to overcome. No airflow, no prolongation, no bouncing, and nothing else. It just takes some time to understand, but it will definitely help you. So friend, if you find this video very much helpful, please do not forget to share this video with your friends, the people who stammer, and you think this video can help someone. So please don't forget to share this video, and if you find this video very much helpful, please like this video. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and please comment your doubts if you have any. So that's it for today, and thanks for watching.